When we talk about enzyme inhibition, we have two major types, which is the competitive and the non-competitive. Competitive inhibition is where the inhibitor will fight with the substrate for the exact same site, which is the active site. The substrate originally binds with the active site and proceeds with the reaction. Now, if the inhibitor has taken up the active site, the substrate can no longer come and attach, the reaction will not proceed, and as a result, the rate of my reaction will drastically drop. Now, when you look at the non-competitive inhibitors, they do not fight for the active site. Instead, they go and bind to some other spots on the enzyme and change the enzyme conformation in such a way that the substrate can now no longer come and fit into the active site. As you all know, the active site is extremely specific and will have the exact conformations where the substrate can come and fit, just like a jigsaw puzzle. But here, because of the non-competitive inhibitor going and changing the conformation of the enzyme, the active site has changed, and as a result, my specific substrate can no longer bind and my rate of the reaction drop. So now when you look at enzyme inhibition, these two concepts are the majorly tested and the most important ones. I hope this is clear, and do subscribe for more.